when I was young, and they packed me off to school, and they taught me how not to play the game. I didn't mind if they groomed me for success, or if they said that I was just a fool. So I left there in the morning with a God tucked underneath my arm, the half-assed smiles and the book of rules. And I asked this God a question, and by way of firm reply, he said, I'm not the kind you have to wind up on Sundays. So to my old headmaster, and to anyone who cares, before I'm through, I'd like to say my prayers. I don't believe you had the whole damn thing all wrong. He's not the kind you have to wind up on Sundays. Well, you can excommunicate me on my way to Sunday school, and have all the bishops harmonize these How'd you dare to tell me that I'm not part of the sun, when that was just an accident to birth? I'd rather look around me, compose a better song, 'cause that's the honest measure of my worth. In your pomp and all your glory, you're a poorer man than me, as you lick the boots of death born out of fear. Oh, when I was young, and they packed me off to school, and taught me how not to play the game, I didn't mind if they groomed me for success, or if they said that I was just a fool. So I left there in the morning with that God under my arm, the half-assed smile and the book of rules. Well, you can excommunicate me on my way to Sunday school, have all the bishops harmonize these lines. When I was young, and they packed me off to school, and they taught me how not to play the game. I didn't mind if they groomed me for success, or if they said that I was just a fool. So to my old headmaster, the whole damn thing all wrong. He's not the kind you have to wind up on some.